In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Wizz Air customer service. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and how to filter the page so you get the right contact details for your situation without digging through unrelated pages. Start by opening the Wizz Air website in your browser. On the home page, don't worry about the top menus. Instead, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page. In the footer area, look for the link called Help Center. It's easy to miss if you're skimming, so take a second to scan the lower section carefully. On a phone, you may need to expand the footer and keep swiping to reach it. Click Help Center to move on. You'll land on a page that collects support resources. From here, locate and click Contact Us. This is the dedicated section for reaching customer service. If you see FAQs or guides along the way, that's normal. But for live or direct support options, Contact Us is the place you want. On the Contact Us page, you'll see filters that tailor the support information to your needs. First, select Country of Service from the drop-down. This is important because Wizz Air provides different contact options depending on the country you choose. Picking the correct country ensures you see the right phone lines, the correct opening hours, and any region-specific guidance. If you're unsure, choose the country most relevant to your booking or your current location. Next, choose your preferred language. Selecting the language helps the system show you support options in a way that's easiest for you to understand. Availability can vary by language, so this step helps match you with the most suitable contact route. Once you've set both the country and the language, click Search. The page will refresh and display the contact options tailored to your selections. This typically includes how to reach customer service, their hours of operation, and any notes you should be aware of before calling or messaging. If the page takes a moment to load, give it a few seconds. It's pulling in the details based on your filters. Before you reach out, a quick tip. Have your booking details ready so you can move through verification quickly. Also, take note of the listed opening hours and any time zone differences that might affect availability. If you don't get the result you expected, try adjusting the country or language and click. Search again to see alternative options. That's it. By scrolling to Help Center, heading into Contact Us, selecting your country of service, choosing your language, and pressing Search, you'll surface the correct up-to-date way to contact Wizz Air customer service for your situation.